Welcome back to Bertology. Today, we are stepping inside a world where luxury, freedom, and innovation come together in the most extraordinary way imaginable. Imagine traveling across breathtaking landscapes without ever sacrificing the comfort of a five-star mansion. Imagine waking up every morning with a different view while enjoying the same unmatched elegance and sophistication. This is the Diamond Road Sovereign, an ultra-luxury private motorhome created for billionaires, royalty, celebrities, successful entrepreneurs, and those who demand absolute perfection wherever they go. From the very first glance, the Diamond Road Sovereign commands attention. Its futuristic aerodynamic design blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge engineering. The exterior is finished in a flawless pearl white, paint enhanced with platinum accents and champagne, gold detailing that shimmer beautifully under sunlight. Massive panoramic smart glass windows stretch along both sides, giving the vehicle a sleek, modern appearance while providing breathtaking views from every room inside. As you approach the entrance, illuminated crystal LED lighting welcomes you with a soft golden glow. A fully automated staircase extends gracefully, while biometric security systems ensure that only authorized guests can enter. Every detail has been designed to deliver a seamless experience of luxury and privacy. Stepping inside feels less like entering a motorhome and more like walking into an exclusive, luxury penthouse. Premium Italian marble flooring reflects the ambient lighting, while handcrafted walnut wood panels blend beautifully with polished metallic finishes. Soft leather walls, custom designer furniture, and crystal chandeliers create an atmosphere that rivals the finest luxury hotels in the world. The main living lounge offers spacious seating crafted from the highest quality Italian leather. Plush sofas surround an elegant marble coffee table, while floor-to-ceiling smart windows transform into privacy glass at the touch of a button. A massive ultra-high-definition entertainment display rises silently from a hidden compartment, accompanied by a premium surround sound system that delivers cinema-quality audio throughout the cabin. The dining area is equally spectacular. A handcrafted dining table comfortably seats 6 guests beneath a modern crystal lighting installation. Every meal becomes a fine dining experience, whether enjoying breakfast overlooking mountain landscapes or dinner beside a peaceful lakeside sunset. The Gourmet kitchen has been designed for professional chefs and passionate food lovers alike. Premium marble countertops, gold-finished fixtures, intelligent storage systems, and the latest smart appliances make cooking effortless. Hidden refrigeration units, advanced induction cooking surfaces, luxury coffee systems, wine storage, and fully automated cabinets ensure that every convenience is available, no matter where the journey leads. The master bedroom represents the true definition of comfort. At its center stands a king-size bed wrapped in premium Egyptian cotton linens and surrounded by elegant ambient lighting. Panoramic windows allow guests to wake up to spectacular ocean views, snow-covered mountains, peaceful forests, or endless desert landscapes. Behind the sleeping area, a spacious walk-in wardrobe offers custom storage finished with premium wood and soft LED illumination. The ensuite bathroom rivals those found inside the world's most luxurious hotels. Italian marble surrounds every surface, while rainfall showers, heated flooring, gold-plated fixtures, and intelligent climate controls create an unforgettable spa-like atmosphere. Soft towels, designer amenities, and carefully crafted lighting complete this remarkable private sanctuary. Technology plays a central role throughout the Diamond Road Sovereign. Artificial intelligence manages lighting, temperature, entertainment, security, and privacy through voice commands or touchscreen controls. Occupants can personalize every room with custom settings that automatically adjust according to individual preferences. Whether relaxing, working, or entertaining guests, every function operates effortlessly. For business executives and entrepreneurs, the motorhome includes a fully equipped executive office, high-speed satellite internet, secure communication systems, multiple ultra-wide displays, wireless connectivity, and soundproof surroundings. Allow productivity from virtually anywhere on Earth. Business meetings can continue uninterrupted while traveling across countries in complete comfort. Entertainment options are equally impressive. A luxury cinema room features reclining leather seating, immersive surround sound, and an enormous ultra-high-definition display. Hidden gaming systems, streaming platforms, and digital media libraries ensure endless entertainment for family and guests throughout every journey. The Diamond Road Sovereign also features a private wellness area dedicated to health and relaxation. A compact fitness studio includes advanced exercise equipment, while a dedicated spa space offers massage functions, aromatherapy, mood lighting, and wellness features designed to rejuvenate both body and mind after long days of travel. Outdoor living receives just as much attention as the interior. With the press of a button, expandable sections extend outward to create generous living space. Automated luxury terraces unfold from the sides of the motorhome, complete with elegant seating, outdoor dining areas, ambient lighting, and retractable awnings. These spaces transform scenic destinations into private luxury retreats perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying peaceful evenings under the stars. Powering this extraordinary residence is an advanced hybrid energy system supported by high-capacity batteries and integrated solar technology. Intelligent energy management ensures quiet, efficient operation while reducing environmental impact. Massive freshwater storage, advanced purification systems, and luxury climate control allow complete independence for extended adventures without compromising comfort. Safety remains uncompromising. Reinforced construction, intelligent driver assistance technologies, 360-degree cameras, adaptive suspension, collision avoidance systems, satellite navigation, and advanced security monitoring provide confidence. Whether traveling through busy cities or remote wilderness, every journey aboard the Diamond Road Sovereign becomes a personalized luxury experience. Whether exploring the coastlines of Europe, driving through the Swiss Alps, crossing the deserts of the Middle East, or discovering hidden natural wonders, every destination becomes even more unforgettable when experienced from the comfort of this extraordinary mobile palace. This is not simply transportation. It is a statement of success, freedom, innovation, and refined living. It eliminates the boundaries between luxury real estate and world-class travel, allowing owners to carry their dream home wherever they choose to go. For those who believe true luxury should never remain in one place, the Diamond Road Sovereign represents the ultimate expression of mobile excellence. Every detail has been crafted with precision, every feature designed for maximum comfort, and every journey transformed into an unforgettable adventure. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour of the Diamond Road Sovereign, where extraordinary craftsmanship meets limitless exploration. If you enjoyed this incredible ultra-luxury motorhome experience, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Breathology, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next journey into the world's most luxurious creations. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. Travel in style, and we'll see you in the next video.